rascals on YouTube. It's me. Lost Dump. Got my little shopping list. I gotta stop at Napa. We gotta do some fixing. Marvin Tay, we moved the 460, the older Timberjack. Well, it's a 648 Deere, really. You know, it's a Deere Jack. But we moved it. We put the other 748 over. While I was in getting my plumbing done, we moved that 748 over the other job, and Tay went over there and skidded for a couple days until I could finish cutting with Kimmy. I gotta get somebody else raised up, learn how to run Kimmy. Not that it's a big deal, it takes time, you know. So maybe Tay's shown some interest there. He's run it before, bunching and whatnot. So, but whatever. To make things efficient, we put the 748 over there. Well, then I had the 460 on a job. It's got like a day left to finish it. The job that Mike Peach was on, there was a couple of trees they couldn't get, so I want to get that one. But anyway, I had the 460, so we bounced it over to my job. Well, Tay was running it yesterday, and it developed a leak, so they're going down to fix it's probably just a hose or a fitting or something up in the belly somewhere. Thing's constantly doing that. I don't know whether the hoses are all dry rotted or what the issue is, but anyway, but a branch come in and swiped the exhaust off it, so I gotta stop and get some clamps and stuff. Now, John Deere, when you go to buy a exhaust system from them, I'm thinking it's like $1,500 or $1,600 for, you know. So we build our own. What I'm getting at, you can get the turbo flange, a little straight piece from Napa for like $3. You know, I mean, literally, it's maybe $5 or $10. And then, you know, we just build it from there. You know, put the 90 on it, weld it, go up through the hood, the piece of flex pipe, and then back into solid pipe, and then we just use a generic. I think we got a Donaldson muffler on it or something. But anyway, I mean, literally, you can build an exhaust system for like $100. And if you buy it through John Deere, they're like $1,500. It's ridiculous. It's nonsense. So we just build them. But anyway, I just took. I'll get a video of it. I bought a little. It's a little Pro Arc or something. I don't know. A little 115 amp. You know, it runs on like 110, so it'll run right off the generator. A little. What do you call it? A little MIG, solid core, flux core rather. I don't think it has a tank on it. I don't think it's a flux core. But I never even tried it. I've had it for like 2 years, and I had it in the box at the shop, and I thought, you know, I'm gonna break that out, see if I can get it running, figure it out, you know, and then see if I can weld that exhaust pipe with it. And I'll tell you what, that thing is impressive. I just got it plugged in and tuned in, dialed in. Per roll of wire. It's 30 thousandths flux core wire, and I was just pissing around in the shop with it before Marvin Taylor got there, and I took some exhaust pipe and welded stuff on it, like a hanger and stuff, just to see. And I tell you what, it works good. So we're gonna take it down, plug it into the big welder generator or whatever, one of the generators on the job, and then we can build this pipe with it. So I'll get some video, but and then hopefully I'm gonna wrap up the cutting on this Smart piece, and thankfully it's frozen nice. It's about 16 degrees out here right now. No wind. It's actually nice when it's like this. I'm a summer person, but if it's gonna be winter, I kind of like it, like teens and 20s, and not too extreme, but the ground frozen nice. It's really nice working weather. It's kind of refreshing actually. So I'm a happy boy today. Happy boy. I'm a happy boy. So anyway, I'm going to try and get something done today. This guy's going to get that thing fixed up. Try and finish cutting this piece. Get it wrapped up. I got a nice little piece to go on. Matter of fact, I just had a meeting with the landowner at the shop. Brought over the signed contract on the next piece. Fessemeyer track. So that'll be a fun piece to cut. The boys are... they still got a couple of weeks to go on the Wheeler track over by Reynoldsville, and we got a nice piece to go look at Tuesday morning. Sounds like it's promising. 130 acre TSI cut, which is timber stand improvement. It's going to be cutting a lot of low grade out, leaving logs, you know, for future growth. So I don't know. Things are looking up. Kind of getting off on the right foot here in 2019. So I got some really, really cool news to. I'm excited. I'm like a little girl. No, but I'm really freaking pretty psyched. I'll let you know. I'll keep you in suspense. But we're gonna go on a little junket here, so which is a trip for those who speak English. But I'll let you know what's going on and who all's going. It's gonna be fun. I'm kind of excited, and I'm going to look at a particular piece of equipment that I am pretty excited about checking out. So Isaac, you know what that is. Old Isaac Larson. Daniel Boone, you know what it is. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. I'll get a vid out. I'll try and do a vid later. Let you know. See ya. Ta-ta.